Hey everyone, welcome to English with Bruce. I'm Bruce. Today is lesson 17 and we've got a wise and uplifting idiom for you. Every cloud has a silver lining. In Korean, this means 비 온 뒤에 땅이 굳어진다. It means that the ground hardens after the rain. Think about it. After a heavy rain, the ground dries and becomes even more solid. Life works the same way. Challenges make you stronger. That's precisely what this idiom means. Even bad situations can lead to something good. Let's put our new idiom into practice with some sentences. 1. Business situation. We lost a big client last quarter, which was a disaster. But every cloud has a silver lining. It forced us to improve our services and gain even more clients. 2. Everyday life. Although I didn't get the job I wanted, eventually I was given an even better opportunity. Every cloud has a silver lining. Let's say it together. Every cloud has a silver lining. One more time. Every cloud has a silver lining. Excellent. Don't forget, Wednesday's business English lesson will be amazing. Remember, every phrase brings you one step closer to fluency. Keep practicing, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a lesson. See you soon!